Good morning, I'm Loven Contracting Safety Manager. This week's Toolbox Talk is on securing loads for transport. Securing loads in truck beds and trailers is really important and something we do every day. Whether we're hauling material, equipment, or tools, it's important that the loads are secured to prevent any accidents. Before loading anything into a truck bed or trailer, thoroughly assess the load for size, weight, and weight distribution. Make sure it falls within the weight capacity of the truck and trailer you'll be using to haul the material. Never overload a truck or trailer beyond its rated weight capacity. Select the appropriate restraints and tie-downs depending on the load and the method of transport. Different loads may require different securing methods, including straps, tie-downs, chains, or binders. Use a combination of direct tie-downs, blocking, or other means of securing loads to prevent weight from shifting during transport. Ensure ladder rack systems are secured before attaching anything to them. Distribute the weight of the load evenly across the truck bed or trailer to prevent any imbalance during transport. On a trailer, weight should be distributed approximately 60% in front of the axle to prevent swaying. Before departure, thoroughly inspect connections, tie-downs, straps to make sure that they are adequately secured. Any loose connections should be addressed properly. Ensure ratchet straps are in good condition. Any landscaping material such as rock, sand, or any landscaping debris needs to be covered with a tarp to prevent debris from flying out of the vehicle. Tie-downs, especially brand new ones, may stretch slightly under load. They should be rechecked and tightened as needed. If cargo hangs out of the back of a truck by more than 4 feet, it needs to be marked with red tape to warn others on the road. The warning flag needs a reflector if you're driving at night. When transporting with a trailer, ensure all trailer connections, chains, lights, turn signals are all working properly. Consider any weather conditions when you're traveling. Slow down in wet or icy conditions. Remember, tall loads will increase your wind resistance when driving and may push you to one side of the road or the other, potentially delay travel during high wind. Remember, taking time to secure loads is an important investment in everyone's safety on the road and to you. Let's commit to prioritizing load security when transporting with a truck bed or trailer. Thank you for watching this week's Toolbox Talk. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to Loven Contracting. Have a great day and stay safe.